feel like this really weird, peculiar sensation that's like really good energy, buoyancy, upliftment. I would do it again. It could be addictive.
Our company spent at least a year and a half going all over the globe, finding the best services and the best equipment available in the world. It doesn't matter where it is, our company will make sure that it always comes into our centers. So our company is more of a bespoke center where you can come in, and whether you're a 25-year-old person or a 75-year-old person, you're black, you're white, it doesn't matter what you're trying to get done, our company has the toolbox to be able to accomplish all those things.